Is your first chiropractic adjustment going to hurt you? That's a common question and worry that I get from a lot of people. The short answer is likely no. There's a small percentage of people where it can be uncomfortable, and those people I'll know and I'll warn you and will be extremely gentle to minimize that soreness. And the reason that for some people it can be is because they're in such a state of inflamed acute pain that any movement, even just is painful. However, we choose in those situations, whether it be technique style, that will minimize that risk significantly. There you go. That's the answer.